So this is the most cleanest, neatest and silkiest braid you can ever find on YouTube. This came out really beautiful. I'm not just capping, just look at that braid. So guys, thank you so much for stopping by my channel. If you're stumbling on my channel for the very first time, this is Change Your Look UK, and on today's video I'll be showing you guys how I braid this extension. It came out really beautiful, and this attachment rack has been so helpful. So if you're a braider, I'll be leaving the link in the description section. Don't hesitate to check. And the extension we use is the bone straight braid. It's so perfect if you want to make a straight braid. The extension is so silky. Funny enough, I've not found the extension on Amazon, or I've not walked into a shop and find this extension. I went to Nigeria and find the extension, and I saw the way it looks and I really love it, and then I just stock it up. So if you want to get the extension, DM me on my Instagram page, Change Your Look UK, all in one word. I'll be leaving it on the description section so we can send you the extension if you would like to have it. It's very good. I actually use 3-pack on this braid. I use the color 1, and then I use the color 30, and then I use the color 35, which is the black, gold, and honey gold, and then brown. It came out really beautiful. Seriously, if you love to mix colors, you're going to love this color braid. It's very beautiful, and the extension is so silky, so perfect. Like looking at the extension, looking at the braid, it looks as if it's actually a machine braid. It doesn't look like it was braided with hand. It doesn't look like an hand braid. It looks as if it was actually machine that braided together. It came out really beautiful. So if you're looking to get a very silky straight braid with that sharp tips, I bet you go for this extension. You're gonna love it. It's really beautiful. And also, if you're stumbling on my channel for the very first time, please support me by hitting on the subscribe button, press on your notification bell for you to be notified whenever I upload a new video. We'll do a lot of tutorials on this video. And if you're looking to start braiding, or you want to braid your hair yourself, or you want to go into braiding like full-time business, seriously, this my channel is really going to help you, give you a lot of tips on how to braid like a pro. You can see that braiding, it looks very neat. So I have a lot of tutorials on this channel: how to break the braid from the root, how to create coils on your braid, how to create the sharp ends on your braids. Seriously, you're going to love it here. So if you're looking to braid your hair yourself, or you're looking to go into braiding full time, you're going to love this channel, I bet you. So I don't want to be talking and talking. I just want you guys to watch and enjoy. It's just a 30 minutes 28 seconds video. So if you would really like to watch to the very end, that will be helpful. At least you'll find some tips while you're watching it. But if you think you won't be able to finish the 30 minutes video, you can just keep it to the area you think you would want, or what you would like to see. Then you can just watch it that way. And also, don't leave without dropping a comment in the comment section. This actually helps YouTube to promote the video, like show other people the video who are interested in braiding as well, or who wants to see if something like this, similar to this. So this will really help the video to rank high. So do me a favor and give the video a thumbs up if you like it. If you don't like it, you can give it a thumbs down as well, but please drop a comment in the comment section below. Let me know what tutorial you would like to see on this channel, and yeah, that would really be helpful. So let me not just talk too much on the video. Let me let you guys enjoy the video and let me know what you think about this extension. Also drop a comment. Have you seen this extension before, the bone straight braids? Have you seen the extension before? Let me know. I've not seen it anywhere. You might have seen it, I don't really know. So just drop a comment if you've seen the extension, the bone straight braid extension, in the shop, on Amazon, or any other place. I've actually checked, I've not find it. That's why I said if you've seen it, please leave a comment in the comment section below. Thank you so much guys for watching. I love you guys, and I'll see you guys on my next one. Bye.
Hãy subscribe cho kênh Ghiền Mì Gõ để không bỏ lỡ